Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 166. अरिष्ट जेव्हा भक्ताचे उशाशी म्हणतील बाबा ते आपुले कुशीसी भाषा ही अवगत अमीरासी तेने हे मनाशी ताडिले. If there was any danger to a devotee, Baba would say that it affected him. Amir was aware of this kind of speech. Therefore, he had come to this conclusion. इतुक्यात त्याच्याच उशाकडे काही विळविळता दृष्टी पडे. अब्दुल बत्ती रे बत्ती इकडे म्हणून ओरडे अमीर. Just then, he saw something moving near his own pillow. Abdul, bring the lamp here, Amir shouted. बत्ती आणिताच बाहेर पसरले दिसले वेटोळे थोर प्रकाशे तो दिपला विखार मान खालीवर करीतसे. When the lamp was brought outside, a large serpent was seen coiled there. He was dazzled by the light, and he began to move his hood up and down. तेथेच केली तयाची शांती, बाबांचे महदुपकार मानिती, म्हणती काय ही विलक्षण पद्धती, देती जागृती कैसी की. It was killed immediately. He felt very grateful to Baba and thought how extraordinary this method was of making us aware. कैची विवशी कैची पत्ती, काळवेळेची त्यावी जागृती, निजभक्ताची संकट निर्मुक्ती, हेच युक्ती ते होती. That mention of the ghost and calling for the lamp was only a kind of trick to caution the devotees of the danger and to save them from the calamity. ऐशा सर्पांच्या अगणित कथा, येतील बाबांच्या चरित्री वर्णिता, होईल ग्रंथाची अतिविस्तरता, म्हणून संक्षेपता आदरिली. There are a number of such stories about serpents in Baba's biography which could be described, but then the book would become very voluminous. Therefore, I have to curtail them. सर्प विंचू नारायण, साधू तुकारामाचे वचन, परी ते सर्व वंदावे दुरून, हेही वचन तयाचे. Snakes and serpents are Narayan, but they should be worshipped from a distance, says Saint Tukaram. तेच म्हणती तया अधर्म, तया पैजारीचे काम, तया संबंधे वर्तनक्रम, कळेना ठाम निर्बंध. He calls them wicked and deserving of a beating with a shoe. However, the opinion is not unanimous, and one is left in doubt as to the mode of one's treatment of them. जयाचा जैसा स्वभाव धर्म, तदनुसार तयाचे कर्म, जैसा ईश्वरी नेमा नेम, हेची की वर्म तेथील. One acts according to one's nature and in keeping with God's will. This is the essence of it all. या शंकेचे समाधान, बाबापाशी एकच जाण, जीव मात्र समसमान, अहिंसा प्रमाण सर्वार्थी. There is only one answer to this question. All beings are equal and non-violence is always the best. Baba too had the same explanation. विंचूकाय सर्पकाय, ईश्वरची सर्वाचा ठाय, तयाची इच्छा नसता अपाय, करवेल काय त्याचेनी. Whether it be a scorpion or a snake, God is within them too. If He does not wish to harm, no harm will be done by them.